Good morning, birders. Welcome to High Island. So I'm down here at Boy Scout Woods on another birding trip, waiting for a few clients to arrive so I can start guiding them around the place. So I figured I'd walk the boardwalks a little bit at first, show you around a bit. So this over here is the photography blind here at Boy Scout Woods. Nice little old repurposed barn. You do have to have reservations if you want to sit in there and do some photography, but there's no one in there right now, so I think we'll just go have a look in there. I've gotten a few pictures here before in previous years, but generally I like to be out walking around a bit, see more birds that way anyway. But on a good day, if there's lots of birds coming in, there's some great drips here and you can get real close to them. Right now though, the wind's coming from the south and there's not quite as many birds. But we'll head up to the main bleachers up at the front, meet up with the rest of the group, and see what all comes in. So these are the main bleachers at Boy Scout Woods. Always remember, don't be a berry butt. Watch for the mulberries before you sit down, or you'll have big purple splotches on the back of your pants.
Really dull this morning.
Well, it's the wind, I'm sure.
Wind shift, because a friend of mine she had her husband over here a day or two ago, and she said it was great. She said people would say it was fabulous time
yes,
to get
it was.
must have
It's
shifted.
the wind. Yeah, it's from the south.
That's
Yeah.
looks like the Vireo.
Oh, yeah. It's really nice.
Love how the Vireos take their baths. They don't hang around. They just jump in,
They
get wet, then
They
fly
dip.
off to their perch.
Yeah.
Well, they're kind of shy, aren't they?
Yeah. And then the warblers, little Tennessee, just flops down in there and splashes away. That looks like a female summer tanager.
Yeah, but they can tell by the head.
Nice and yellow, great big beak.
Yeah, quite. How about the shape of their head?
Yeah,
Quite.
bigger than a warbler for sure. Will you come down and take a bath? I think, yeah, Swainson's thrush right up here.
Oh, you're beautiful.
The thrush is down on this low branch, almost right in front. He's fairly close on this low horizontal branch. Or there, he just flipped back. He's got a berry, and down he goes. We've got some birds coming in. There's the Tennessee down on the drip. Cardinal Tennessee flew off. Oh, red start right in front of the cypress. Male American red start.
Oh my gosh. You're so beautiful.
Flipping his tail. Down he goes.
Maybe sit back there.
There's the catbird. Catbird's just sitting on that little stick that goes over the drip. Popping down, he might take a bath.
Yep, And my daughter's up in New Jersey. She's looking for him. She's got, I haven't seen the catbird yet.
Yeah, it looks like he's gonna go take a bath.
So how was it the great grand whatever that you came down to look at? Weren't you down here earlier, a week or two ago?
By the time I get my camera on here, it's going to be gone. But yeah, all I'm going to get is the
Goes
tail.
little baby
I'm
possum.
in trouble. I'm not supposed to be here.
What are you doing? He was probably pigging out on mulberries and fell asleep under the deck.
Yes, yes.
He was right down there.
So you ran out.
Just came running right out from under there.
He's on a mission.
Are they related to the mockingbird?
Yes.
Oh, but yeah, kind of accent one, kind of bold and they do. They make it.
I'm sorry.
Ringing sound.
Oh, okay.
Upstate New York, we have tons of
Catbirds?
Mm-hmm. And you'll hear them. I mean, it does sound like a little cat. Oh, he's beautiful. Mm-hmm.
Scarlet Tanager definitely lives up to his name.
Now, what does the female look like?
The females are yellow with dark wings.
Yeah, I was thinking they were yellow.
So kind of similar color scheme to the summer tanager,
Summer.
but they still have the dark wings with the scarlet.
Are they about the same size as or smaller than a red tail?
The Swainsons are a little smaller than a red tail.
I think the wings are narrower too.
Yeah.
Little
they're not
pointier wings, yeah. Oh, look, he's diving.
Two
Oh.
red tails the other day. One looked like maybe it was a juvenile, and
His belly is gray. There's these spots. Yeah.
Oh,
This
there
one,
he is. Right. Oh, wow.
That's the Swainson's thrush. You can see the spectacles on his eyes. There is the swamp rabbit.
looks like he's enjoying his meal.
And a female paint. Female painted bunting. So it's a bunting bonanza.
Yep.
Bunting bonanza.
Nice comparison
Can you get
of
a
the...
picture without the wire in the way?
Yep.
I did.
You got the nice green female painted bunting right next to the brown
Wow.
indigo bunting female with the...
Now,
Indigo
when you
bunting
get your
male.
bunting classy, that would be a good
painted
picture.
bunting.
Yeah.
Couples.
So pretty good for the first day here. Had a few hours here in the evening before we all had to head out. Wind wasn't ideal, so I think all the birds kind of took off in the morning, and there weren't that many that were landing here. They were taking advantage of the tailwind. But we're going to head up to Winnie for the night, get something to eat, probably go to Altee's, and go out to Anahuac Wildlife Refuge in the morning. I'll meet up with everyone there. I'm actually going to be coming down to sleep at Smith Oaks Sanctuary here in High Island. They do let you camp there for a few nights at least. And so I'll just pull up there and spend the night with the birds. Then come back to High Island after we visit Anahuac. We'll probably come to these trees right here on the left are really good early in the morning. That's a private property called The Roost. You can actually stay there, rent it out. But there's bottle brushes there, and you get tons of birds that fly in. So hopefully, especially if the wind changes, we'll get out there early one morning. It's usually tons of Tennessee warblers and orchard orioles. All kinds of stuff shows up there first thing in the morning. But we'll go out to Anahuac, probably get some good views of alligators at least, and if we're lucky, get some king rails, common nighthawks, all sorts of wading birds and water birds out there. And we'll do that tomorrow. So until next time, see you later, birders.